So I'm on 550 at the Molas Pass, M-O-L-A-S. This is the overlook, little station you can pull off, bathroom, parking lot. And views are getting worse. Now, what I mean by that is that it's 10 and it's so smoky and cloudy. This isn't clouds, this is smoke from that fire that's been going on for a long time. I mean, it's nice mountain passes and you know, great mountains and views and stuff like that, but just the smoke has just ruined all of it. But again, it's just an excuse to have to come back. And go around this, the bathroom. There's a motorcycle right there. So pretty nice, just unfortunately pretty smoky, and it's not as clear as it would be. Oh well, there you go.